Hello everyone, welcome to the Insightful Lady. So in this video, we'll compare the Webflow and the WordPress to help you decide which platform is better for your need for the next website you are going to build. So let's first talk about the ease of use. WordPress is considered basically a user-friendly because there are tons of plugins and the themes available that can help you build a website without any coding. But however, sometimes managing these plugins and the settings, updates, and all these things can feel a little overwhelming for the beginners. Which, on the other hand, Webflow provides a fully visual drag and drop style builder where you can design directly on the screen, and it can also gives you a creative freedom. But initially, the interface might look a little bit complex. So second, let's talk about the design flexibility. So when it comes to design flexibility, Webflow stands out because it gives you the much more control over layout, spacing, and the animations, and also the responsiveness right out of the box. So you can easily create custom and modern looking websites with Webflow, and with WordPress, design flexibility often depends on the using of plugins and theme, and also the page builders like Elementor or the DB. So you can still build amazing websites with WordPress, but sometimes there is a limitation by the theme structure unless you use some custom coding and also the additional. So when we talk about the customization, let's say WordPress is extremely flexible because of its massive plugins ecosystem and also the support for the custom development. So you can customize your themes and the plugins if you know the coding, and also you can build almost any from the blog, portfolio, or any advanced membership or any e-commerce website. Where Webflow is more structured and controlled, it is great for the clean professional website, but for highly advanced functionality, you may sometimes face limitations compared to the WordPress. And moving on, when it comes to the performance, so Webflow websites are generally optimized and fast by the default because it includes the hosting, security, and the optimization, which is managed by the platform only. And with the WordPress, performance depends heavily on the hosting provider and also the theme, plugins, and the optimization techniques you have. So we can say a well-optimized WordPress website can be very fast, but it requires proper setup and the maintenance, which you have to do while creating a website. So talking about the pricing, WordPress is itself a free platform, but you still need to pay separately for the hosting, premium plugins, and the themes, and the maintenance for the website. And with Webflow, it includes hosting many built-in features in one platform. However, the monthly plans can become more expensive depending on your project requirement. So let's talk about which is the best platform for you to choose for your next website development. So I suggest WordPress is great for blogs, large content websites, advanced custom functionality, and also a scalable project. Whereas Webflow is ideal for the designers, freelancers, and startup where you need to create a visually or modern looking landing pages, and business websites that want visually polished online presence with modern animations and the clean performance. So I would say the best platform depends on your goals, the workflow, and the type of website you want to. So let's quickly wrap up this video. And in the conclusion, if you want flexibility, go with the WordPress, and if you want design control, go with the Webflow. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in the next video.